Welcome to the Africa Talking video series. We have successfully been able to broadcast calls, and when people picked up, they were able to listen to a file. Now look at the logs for a minute just to see what we have done so far. We are doing an outbound call, and on that outbound call, you can see the success, the cost, and all that. But when the outbound call is active, we played the file. So now we want to do something else. We want to get digits from the user. So basically we just change very little in our script, and that's the beauty of the gateway. We just create a little change on the response and we are good to go. In this case, we are not going to have a call state. We are just going to change this and make it very quick to use. So maybe you can follow along and see what I mean. So let's go to our folder and create a new file. Paste that in there. We want to call this get digits. .php. Save it. Now we don't want to create a call state, so that's the first thing we'll just remove. So we read the API detail, we read the posts from the API. We don't care for the call state, so we remove that. Basically we just say if it's active, we don't care for the call state. Delete. I'll just make a few clean changes to this to make it clean. And then we just want to say if this condition is true, then we want to read the balance and respond to the user. So let's change that. You can remove this as well. We don't care for this. I think our script is almost there. So our script is ready. The logic is simple. We check if the call is active. If it's active, we create a response, and the response will say please enter your account number followed by the hash sign. Then they will enter, which means the API will post again to our API, to our web service. When it posts and the post has DTMF digits, then we will query our database, or in this case our balance array, and tell that person what their balance is. Otherwise we will just receive the post parameters. So what we need to do is to take note of these numbers. So when I dial any of these, I return any of these numbers, then I should have that. We'll see that in the next video.